Yay, hi, I'm Jenna Neal. Welcome to my channel. So excited. Today we got, if you know anything about this, you know we've been waiting a really long time. I've been waiting since November for this. What? Oh my gosh, they weren't kidding. It's like super ivory. Wow, it's gorgeous. It is beautiful. I'm so excited. You got the logo right here and it's super simple. You have the zippers on the side, and the one change that they did make to these, which I'm super excited about, is if you look at the zipper, see that? It's matte. It's not that shiny glossy silver, so I think it looks awesome. They come with tassels. Check out that inside pocket. Gorgeous. Look at that. Okay, so you can see where the magnets are. This is the front. The reason I got the ivory is because everything matched. I was a little sad that the black didn't have the same. It's two pockets right there in the front. Ooh, and that one's a big one. Yes, okay, so they do have a little bit of mesh, but I'm excited that the mesh matches the bag. They have these really cool numbered systems. So there's a number 2. Here's a leash for my keys. Whoa, and then it just closes, or I can zip it up. Okay, on the side. Now, the reason that these bags cost so much is if you see right here, look, we got these stroller straps included with the bag. In all of these other bags, I noticed a lot of the stuff comes separate. So on this side, let's see if it, yep, so the zipper goes down and then the pockets expand, and they have a good size bottle pocket. Love the handles. One thing that really got me to this. And then check out this. Oh my gosh. The back, you have these straps, and then you have these 2 backpack straps with a side zipper. Oh, I bet my phone would fit nice and neatly in there. Ooh, with another leash. We have the back pocket. Here is the wet bag. I'm not really sure what I will use this for, but I love that it's reusable. Again, another feature that comes with the bag. Also, this lifts up so that I can do it cross-body. So we have this silicone snack pack. This is pretty cool. I wonder if they'll sell these separate. I would totally buy these separate. You also get, which I don't need this, but you also get a changing pad. On the videos I've watched, the lining has been very shiny. It's like a satiny, but it feels more canvasy than the satin. I was really worried about that satin. Oh my gosh, I love that it matches. After looking at the videos of the black, I'm so glad I got the beige. So you have this snack pack, so I can put cold items in here when we go to the park or if we're going to the beach. And then in here, there's just a big open pocket space. There's a button right there where I can snap this down. So you snap that in place, and then that just won't go anywhere. So this right here is for the vacuum cleaner. And then we have a small pocket right here. Oh, this will be perfect for my oils or my sunscreen. I have 2 spots right here. I can put my essential oils or lip chap. So on this side, we have a pocket right here for just some kind of wipes or just a random pocket. I think this is the diapering essentials. And then we have 2 pockets right here for more doTERRA, which I totally use. And then another pocket right there. A mesh pocket there. And then in the middle I have, wow, look at all these pockets. How much fun. Oh my gosh. So this also comes out. Now, how does that work? I have no idea, so we're gonna try it. It unzips from somewhere. All right, so you unzip this. Wow. Whoa, okay. And then you unzip this. So if I don't want to have all the crazy, which I probably won't be one of those people that have the diapering needs in there. Ta-da! Look at that. That is so cool. So I can actually take this to the beach for all my crazy. So I can put my laptop back there. I was a little worried. They did say they were going to make a liner that would hold a laptop. I'm so in. Because my kids are not babies, I need a huge bag, not necessarily for my kids, but for myself. But I want to go to the beach and I want to take this with me, and it came at just the perfect time. I do wish there was a snap at the bottom here so I could snap that down. So this is what it looks like without the liner. I can put my laptop back there, I can put my books back there. I still have the pocket here, I still have the 2 doTERRA ones, but I'm missing all of this. But I think that's awesome. I think I would have rather had it split. If I didn't want to use the liner, I could still pack it with these items that it came with and still have plenty of room. I love this. I love it. So I wanted to switch it. I don't know why. Let's see if it works. So I did it backwards because I probably wouldn't use this. I'm such a liar. I would totally use this. I have whites. I use them like a ridiculous amount. Oh my gosh, and there's a zipper up there. So you just have this pocket. Okay, yeah, I'm totally using that. So I feel like this bag takes up a lot of space of that pocket down there. So I put it on the opposite side and it worked. So I can put my vacuum right here and then have it on the front versus the back. I don't know why, but it's just cool that I have that option. If you need this, oh, that's really cool. Look, it just comes right off. But you have a changing pad. Wow, that's pretty nice. But see, I could put it right there in the back. Oh, I love it. So this is the Ivory. It's been a while since I filmed. I don't know why I took a break. Sorry if you follow my channel, I took a break. I don't know why, I just was like, I didn't want to edit. I didn't want to do, I don't know. I was just in a funk. I was totally in a funk. I'm still in a funk. What am I talking about? I'm so in a funk. I'm like in a creative blah. So I started trying to knit. I knitted a few things. If you follow me on Instagram, you can see all the blankets that I knitted. If you're a knitter, oh my gosh, if you're a knitter or a crochet or you like yarn, I have this yarn bag and I wanted to go through it. So I was gonna do another video of my yarn bag and I found a new one that I totally want. So maybe I should buy that instead of this in a second color. I don't know. Yay, thank you guys. I'm Jenna Neal. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, notification bell. Super excited. I'll be coming out with more bags and random weird. I got a lot of weird. Just, I don't know. Join me. Whatever. Thank you. Yay. Thumbs up.